I'm a member of the local flower arranging society, so obviously I enjoy flower arranging. No, that's wrong actually. I don't do a lot of flower arranging. I stick flowers in vases. I suppose I spend quite a lot of time reading and flying to different places on holiday, and that of course became a problem when I had the infections in the gum. Every time I went on a flight, I had a gum infection either at one side or the other on two of the teeth that had crowns. So I would have to have antibiotics, and this was happening twice a year, so I was quite worried about that. So when my dentist finally x-rayed, then it was discovered that I had fractured roots on both of those teeth and they would have to be removed. My previous dentist suggested I could go down a few routes. One was dentures and some other things that I could look at. But I thought that dentures were not the way to go, I thought they would be troublesome. I thought maybe implants were the way to go. I think an implant could probably last a lifetime. So if you have dentures, then I think you may be replacing them, I don't say frequently, but more than I would like to think. And they are quite expensive. So I think it's sort of a lifetime investment. So on my first visit to Mark to discuss implants, then he gave me a very thorough examination with x-rays and explained very, very clearly what the process would be. In fact, it was handed to me in written form, and I was aware that I was getting the best dental treatment that I've ever had. Once the implant was in, it just felt, I just didn't notice any difference between that and my own teeth. My teeth aren't very white, so he sort of made it as light as he could, made them as light as he could without looking obvious. So I think the match was really good. When I thought of what was being done, you might have expected it to be at least a little bit painful. It's less of a problem than having an extraction or a filling even. It was just very good surgery. Well, since having the 2 implants, I've flown probably 2 or even 3 times a year, and I don't have any problem whatsoever. If I'd have had a dentist like Mark for most of my life, I probably would have much better teeth than I now have.